Today we're asking animals what they really think about humans.
What do you think about humans?
Too much Wi-Fi, not enough bananas.
Oh my God.
Your thoughts on humans?
They complain about memory but forget everything.
Fair point. I can't even argue with that.
What do you think about humans?
They copy my style. Look at their TikToks.
Rude! You're terrible.
What's your opinion on humans?
They can't even slide properly.
Okay, fair.
What's your view on humans?
They work too hard. Try bamboo and naps.
Do you like humans?
Only when they gossip.
And make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and have a nice day.